Hey! Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own wallpapers using Kilonotes. Lately, I'm obsessed with Enhypen, especially my boy Heesung, so he's gonna be the star of this video. First, I'm gonna make a photo collage with all his photos. He's so cute. And then I'm gonna add some stickers. Now, if you ask me how I choose what stickers to add, well, I base it on the color palette of the journal. So for example, this one is mainly blue, so most of my stickers are also blue. Now all the stickers can be downloaded from an app called iWallArt, so I suggest you get it too. What do you think so far? If you like it, please leave a comment because it really helps my videos. Thank you! Now next, go to share and then save the spread as an image. There. Then go to your photo album and use that image as a wallpaper. There you go. What do you think?